Okay, so finally it's possible to add these guys so they wouldn't install earlier on. But that was because this one was, and this one was not present. So just copy these files and then place them here, and then it's all good to go. You can add these two plugins. The next thing, or what you could do, is install this one. And yeah, sometimes it will ask you if you want to extract it or run it. If so, say run, or click on run. See? So go to this location menu, this guy here. Yeah. So that's actually a branch, so as well as a menu. So do that, and in LightWave you don't really mess about the menu here. You don't move it up and down. What you do is you exit this, and then you simply click on it and drag it. I'm going to click this area and then drag it all the way to whatever position. And yeah, let's see. Again, make sure you install this one. This one you might need it if you don't have OpenCL on your computer. And well, this one, read me first. So replace existing DLLs and install this one. Make sure it's up to date. Okay, let's see. Let's check the manual. And so it will tell you about the requirements and preparation. So make sure you install this guy here, and that's this one. Dependencies, so that's what I just did. I guess you didn't see it, but I copied these two DLLs to the subdirectory. So we've done that, installing the license. So this is what you need to do. You need to create that path. So okay, here we go. I always forget this. What program is this? Come on, you can do it. Whatever, copy, Control C. So that's what you got to do. So here you need to create a new folder. It's going to be called third party, and another one, T-pricing. No, T-pricing effects. And what else? License, okay. So this is where you need to place that license. Just make a shortcut for it. Okay, so it says you should receive the license 48 hours after your purchase. So you'll have to copy that file to that location. And after that, I guess it should run just fine. Yeah, some plugins, they have a button where it says send this file or send this info to this email, but this one doesn't do that. If you bought this application, then yeah, just wait and you should receive that license. You'll put it in this location, and then hopefully you should be good to go.